Have you ever looked at your arms or legs and thought, where did my strength go? Maybe stairs feel heavier, clothes fit looser, not from fat loss, but from lost muscle. And then the question hits, is this just old age? Is it too late to get it back? Here's the truth. Even at 75, 85, or beyond, your body still listens. It still responds. And yes, you can rebuild muscle. Not with pills, not powders, with food, real everyday food. Just 3 things that can wake up your muscles, add strength, and bring back your energy. But before we dive into the list, let's clear something up. Why do we lose muscle in the first place? After 60, we start losing 3 to 5% of muscle every decade. It adds up. Year by year, strength slips away, and with it, balance, energy, independence. But here's the twist. It's not irreversible. Muscle loss with age is normal, not permanent. You can fight it and win. So let's get into the first powerful food your muscles are begging for, the fuel they need to even begin the repair process. Food number 1, sweet potatoes, the forgotten muscle. Fuel. Now you're thinking, sweet potatoes? That's for holiday dinners. Well, it should be your everyday dinner. Let me explain. Muscles don't just need protein, they need energy to use that protein. What's the body's favorite energy source? Carbohydrates, but not the junky sugar-loaded kind. I'm talking about smart carbs, and sweet potatoes are one of the best. They're packed with complex carbs, which means they digest slowly, giving your muscles steady energy to rebuild. But here's where sweet potatoes really shine. They contain potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that are crucial for muscle function. Without enough potassium, your muscles can feel weak or even cramp up. Without magnesium, your body struggles to turn protein into muscle. And let's not forget, sweet potatoes are full of beta-carotene, which supports your immune system, helps reduce inflammation, and keeps your joints healthy, all of which matter if you want to stay mobile. So, how do you eat them? Baked, mashed, roasted in olive oil, or tossed into soups, any way you like, as long as they're part of your weekly meals. Here's a tip. Sweet potatoes pair beautifully with a bit of protein, like beans or lentils, for a powerful muscle-supporting meal. Later, I'll share one more simple food you can add that takes this combo to the next level. Soft, tasty, healing. That's your new dinner hero. But wait, if I'm eating well, why does it still feel like I'm not getting stronger fast enough? Before knowing the answer, if you're still with me, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you never miss another health tip video just for you. And give a like. Great question. And the answer lies in what happens while you sleep. Let's talk about your evening muscle repair crew. Food number 2, Greek yogurt, your evening muscle repair crew. Now this one's special. Why? Because Greek yogurt doesn't just give you protein, it gives you the perfect kind of protein at the perfect time. Let me ask you this. When does most muscle repair happen? At night, when you're sleeping. That's when your body gets to work, healing, rebuilding, and strengthening your tissues. Greek yogurt is high in something called casein protein. It digests slowly, very slowly, which means your body gets a steady stream of amino acids while you sleep. Think of it like this. While you're in bed resting, this yogurt is delivering nutrients drop by drop, helping your muscles heal quietly and deeply. Plus, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, which keeps your bones strong. And here's a bonus. The probiotics in yogurt keep your gut healthy, which actually helps you absorb nutrients better. Now, some of you might say, "Doctor, I'm lactose intolerant." That's okay. Many brands now offer lactose-free Greek yogurt, same benefits, no stomach trouble. How to eat it? Have a small bowl 1 hour before bed. Add some cinnamon, a few slices of banana, or crushed almonds for flavor. This small change can help you sleep better and wake up stronger. It's creamy, it's comforting, and it's your overnight muscle medicine. So you've got your energy from smart carbs, your recovery system while you sleep, but now comes the big one, the muscle builder. This is where the magic happens. Food number 3, eggs, the muscle repair machine. Yes, simple, humble, everyday eggs. Now you might say, eggs? Really? Isn't that breakfast food? Absolutely. And that's what makes it so powerful. It's easy to add to your day. You see, eggs are one of the richest natural sources of high-quality protein. And what is muscle made of? Protein. But wait, not all protein is created equal. The protein in eggs contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair muscle and even build new muscle fibers. Especially important, the amino acid is called leucine. Leucine is like the spark plug in your car engine. Without it, the engine won't start. And without enough leucine, your body can't switch on muscle repair. 1 large egg gives you about 6 grams of protein, plus healthy fats, and vitamins like B12, which your muscles need to contract properly. Now let me address something you might be thinking. Aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? Aha, great question. That was old science. We now know that for most people, eating 1 or even 2 eggs a day is perfectly safe and doesn't raise harmful cholesterol. In fact, the healthy fats in eggs help your hormones, which play a big role in muscle maintenance. So whether it's boiled, scrambled, or made into a soft omelet, eggs are your muscle's best friend. Add 2 eggs a day, and over time, your body will thank you. Boom. Simple, powerful, proven. Here's a tip. Try combining sweet potatoes with scrambled eggs in a bowl. That's a muscle-building combo meal right there. But wait, if eggs are so good, why aren't more seniors gaining muscle with breakfast? Here's why. Because protein alone isn't enough. You need fuel. You need something to help your body use that protein effectively. Let's take a pause here. Because by now you might be asking, that's it? Just 3 foods? Can they make a difference? Let me tell you what makes the real difference. It's consistency. It's not about big changes. It's about doing the small, right things, day after day. And you may wonder, but don't I need to exercise too? Absolutely, yes. Even light walking or simple chair exercises help these foods work better. Because when you move your body, even a little, you're telling your muscles, hey, we still need you. Combine that with the right food, and you're back in business. A 78-year-old gentleman came into my clinic last year. He had trouble getting up from chairs, felt weak, thought it was just aging. I asked him to start with a sweet potato every other day, a bowl of Greek yogurt before bed, and 2 eggs in the morning. He also did 5 minutes of easy leg exercises while watching TV. 3 months later, he came in with a smile. He said, "Doctor, I can carry my groceries again." That's the power of food plus a gentle movement. It's not a miracle. It's not a pill. It's your body responding to care. Now let's recap. Here's your muscle-building menu. Eat sweet potatoes with lunch or dinner to give your muscles clean, steady energy. Have Greek yogurt an hour before bed so your body repairs overnight. And start your morning with eggs to give your muscles the exact building blocks they crave. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Your body is still listening. It's still working for you. Give it what it needs, and it will rise to the challenge. So, if you learned something today, or if you feel a little more hopeful about your strength, give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, a friend, a neighbor, your spouse. And tell me in the comments, was this video helpful? Your comments motivate me to make more videos like this for seniors. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next one.